Hey there, are you excited about using a promotional code but facing issues with it not sending? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll dive into multiple strategies on how to fix TEMU promo code not sending and ensure you get those discounts readily available for your online shop. Step 1. Verify your email or SMS settings. First things first, ensure that your email or phone number settings are correctly configured. If the promo code is sent via email, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes promotional emails inadvertently end up there. For SMS-based codes, verify that you haven't accidentally blocked messages from unknown numbers. Adjust permissions if needed to receive all types of messages related to your account. Step 2. Check the promo code status. Sometimes the issue might not be with your account, but promo code itself. Confirm whether the promo code is valid and has not expired. Discounts could be limited time offers or subject to specific conditions. Review the terms associated with the promo code on the TEMU website or app to ensure everything is in order. Step 3. Update the TEMU app. One common issue that could prevent certain functionalities, such as promo codes being sent, is an outdated app. Visit your device's App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates to the TEMU app. Download the latest version and try requesting the promo code again. An updated app can often resolve bugs or glitches responsible for these inconveniences. Step 4. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reaching out to TEMU's customer support can work wonders. Use the contact options available via the app or website. Most services have chat bots, email, or phone support to address issues like promo codes not sending. Provide them with relevant details and any error messages you've encountered. Support teams are often equipped to troubleshoot these issues and provide further guidance. Step 5. Reassess your internet connection. Believe it or not, your internet connection can sometimes affect promotional code transmission. Ensure you have a stable connection by testing other functions on your phone or computer. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Also, consider trying a different network or data connection to see if the issue persists. Step 6. Look for alternative promotions. While you're resolving the promo code issue, remember that there might be other deals or promotions available. Explore the deals or offers sections of the TEMU app or website. You might find similar discounts that don't require a code or encounter exclusive details accessible directly on the platform. Experiencing trouble with promo codes can be frustrating, but now you've learned how to fix TEMU promo code not sending efficiently. From checking your contact settings and app updates to reaching out for support, these steps ensure you don't miss out on amazing saves. While dealing with promo codes, remember to remain patient and persistent. Shopping is meant to be fun, and with these solutions, you'll be back to scoring great deals on TEMU in no time. Ready to shop stress-free and enjoy those well-deserved discounts? Happy shopping.